I'm Jim Conroy. I'm the tree whisperer and the tree wizard.
Yes, and I'm Basia Alexander, chief listener and intuitive nature communicator. And our course's name is Nature Listening and Tree Whispering. 4 big guided visualization exercises which will take you deep into a tree's world. So you'll expand your intuition.
Not just learn about being with trees and plants in a different way, but to have it become part of your being. Connect with their consciousness so you have a permanent connection with the trees.
And then we'll also talk about something new, which is partnering with spirit.
And with that connection to inner spirit, then you're able to use some of the practical things that will teach you, the whispers, for example, to actually help the trees be healthier and live their goals, the goals they want. And you're able to help them do that.
Yes.
And they in turn help you. Okay, this is a two-way street.
It's mutual.
Okay? It's a mutual street. So they in turn help you.
And so we invite you to please come to the Omega Institute